This week, Microsoft joins a listening party, MoviePass might cost you some cash, and the Apple rumors get finalized by Bloomberg. As we, together, as a people, take it out.
You probably get comfy a lot of the times, but don't let your guard down.
Alright, we are back for another sensational Saturday. Of course, this is Mike, and this is Mike Takes It Out, where we talk about the biggest stories of the week. So let's go ahead and get into it, because there's one thing that we know, is that everything is bigger in Texas, and that includes the ransomware attacks with their local government, which is not great. Sorry if you're in Texas. But apparently there was like 23 attacks reported the morning of August 16th. Yes, August 16th. Had to remember. And if those of you don't know what ransomware is, they pretty much hijack your computer. And they're like, hey, pay us this money, or we're gonna erase all your data, baby. And then you gotta pay the money, or you lose everything. That's what ransomware is. The moral of the story is, stop clicking links in your email at work. Just stop doing it. You know it's sketchy. No one's gonna send you a free yacht cruise at work. Alright, no one's that generous. No one's trying to give you a free car. It's not even at work. In general. If it says free car, just don't click it. Just don't do it. In other news, we had some listening parties going on recently, y'all. We had Google. They got called out for listening. We're having contractors listening to your voice recordings. Apple got called out. They both were like, we postponing the program. Now Microsoft has joined that party. Come on. What is going on with y'all and this privacy stuff? Can we get it together, please? Please, for the people. For the people, please get it together. Please get it together for the people. All right, let's get back on track. So Microsoft had contractors listening to recordings from Skype and Cortana on the Xbox. So Cortana has been discontinued for Xbox now, but you know, they were like, we're gonna have to reevaluate and blah 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 privacy. The same thing everybody else is saying, reevaluate our privacy policies. No, y'all got caught. Y'all wasn't being transparent enough about it. Like, that's what happened. Y'all got caught. Just say, I got caught, my bad. We gonna have to put better language out there so people understand that we gonna opt them in to listen to their conversations and stuff. So they know. Now they know that Bonquita's Amazon order got delayed. It's bad enough that, you know, Amazon sent the emails to the wrong people last week, and then when Bonquita was talking about it, her Xbox was listening to it. She can't even play Madden without being recorded. Contractors know all about Bonquita's weave curler getting delayed. Thank you, Microsoft. Thank you, Amazon. Thank you, Apple. Thank you. Whew, I'm so glad we're done with ransomware and leaks. Hold on. If you're a MoviePass subscriber, you might want to go ahead and do like a little credit check or something, because they had millions of users' credit card data to get leaked. Came out. There was like, my bad. Had a little glitch, little bug. People got the data. Come on, y'all. Can we get through like a week without spying times and data loss and ransomware and hostages? Like, I just want to have a nice week. Can we just, for the people, can we have a nice week? Come on, for the people. Come. Let's go to something more positive. So, IKEA has been successful. Well, their partnership with Sonos so far has been successful with the Symphonisk. I said it right that time. The Symphonisk line of speakers. Check out my unboxing video if you haven't. Anyway, they're taking it seriously. They're coming, building their own smart home division. I'm really interested to see what IKEA does, because they have this whole thing with blending furniture and technology that's been pretty cool up to this point. Like, I mean, I ain't buying everything. Like, I ain't buying, you know, the wireless charging lamps. But some of them actually look pretty nice, and they're pretty fairly priced. Even the Symphonisk speakers were, in my opinion, good price for the quality that you're getting. So I'm really excited to see what IKEA can do in the smart home space. Who else they may partner with. What else they may lead to. I want more stuff in my house. I need more smart home stuff. I don't have enough. I need IKEA. More IKEA in my life. I've been spending too much money at IKEA. And then some very brief news from the Apple credit card thing. It recently came out this week that Apple recommended not to have your credit card be in prolonged contact with denim or leather. Wait, what? So the physical card is recommended not to put in contact with leather or denim. So just don't use it. Just don't. I put it like in a plastic bag in your wallet. Get one of those little card protectors, I guess. It's gonna make it look like someone that just keeps their couch covered in plastic. Their whole couch, like they bring the couch with them when they go, and it's covered in plastic. They get up and pull out their Apple card, and it's also covered in plastic. They gotta pull out the plastic. It takes like 10 minutes. It's the future. It's the Apple card. Live it. Live it. Alright, I'm glad that we got through all the bad news. Wait, hold on. So, Facebook recently, as a part of their, the thing that they had, the whole lawsuit with the District of Columbia, they had to release those internal documents about the Cambridge Analytica scandal for back in 2015 that was revealed, where that firm took all that information from Facebook, apparently without their knowledge. Wrong. So the internal documents, they didn't leak, so Facebook had to put them out. So they're available on Facebook if you dig for them. But it goes back to months before The Guardian leaked the story about the Cambridge Analytica stuff, and they were aware of it, but it was kind of being brushed under the rug. So how are we gonna trust you, Facebook? Huh? You up here like, oh, we're taking privacy seriously now. You ain't take it seriously back then. And now that you got in trouble for it, now that The Guardian tattled on you, you want to be a model student. You want to be an A student. They know you were skipping school, privacy school. You got caught. Got F's in privacy school. And I still don't trust you. I still don't trust you. This making y'all look bad. I'm just saying, y'all had to do it. I will respect you for doing it, but it's not like you had a choice. But hopefully they can get it together. Hopefully, I don't know. We're going to have to see. Alright, and in our final story, bringing it on back around to some Apple rumors. So you know that they're going to have an event next month. It's September. It's iPhone season. It's witch killing season. So we got to come with the rumors. So I'm going to briefly go over it. All of it. So first thing is the iPhone Pro. So apparently the rumor is the XS models are being rebranded to the Pro because they're going to have that third camera. They're going to have, the reverse wireless charging. Apparently there's going to be some other case-related thing. I don't know. I'm interested to see what new features they can add. There's also going to be apparently new AirPods. So that's the rumor. A lot of people, when the AirPods released earlier this year, it didn't feel like a true sequel. It didn't feel like a sequel to me either. They bumped the battery up a little bit, had the wireless charging case. Okay, that's cool. It's not compelling enough for me to upgrade. A lot of people didn't upgrade. The rumor is they're doing a more expensive AirPods, a new finish that's going to have noise isolation and water resistance. The high quality premium. That's rumored. Of course, the 16-inch MacBook Pro with a new keyboard. That's rumored to be announced. And revamps to the iPad Pros, which is, they're just going to get better cameras, of course, faster specs. And then the Apple Watch, which is probably just going to be faster. So those are all the Apple rumors. We got to wait till next month to see the full scope of what they announced. But even though I might not be getting any of these products because I'm kind of fine with my lineup right now, even with my Series 3 Apple Watch, I'm still excited to what Apple's going to bring to the table. What they're going to bring, I don't know. Hopefully a steak dinner. And that's going to bring this episode to a conclusion. Thank you to all the new subscribers and for continuing to support me. And this Mike Takes It Out Adventure. But if you enjoyed this video, remember to like and share. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed it. If I can get through my sentence without stuttering. And always do at least 2 things at the same time. Peace.